Ever wondered about diving into the world of Scilab programming? Whether you're a seasoned programmer or someone just starting out, Scilab offers a compelling platform for scientific computation. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of this powerful tool. Scilab is an open-source software that allows you to perform numerical computations in a simple yet efficient manner. Its versatility makes it a popular choice among scientists, engineers, and even students. It provides a high-level programming language that's easy to learn and use, but how do you get started? It's time to find out. To begin with, you need to install Scilab on your computer. Visit the official Scilab website and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, follow the installation prompts. It's a straightforward process that should take no more than a few minutes. Next, open Scilab. You'll see a user-friendly interface with a console window. This is where you'll write and execute your Scilab commands. To get comfortable with the console, try typing in simple arithmetic operations, like addition or multiplication. Hit enter and watch Scilab perform the calculation instantly. Now you're ready to write your first Scilab program. In the editor window, type in the following lines. The first line is a comment, indicated by the double slashes. Comments are for you, the programmer, not for the computer. They're used to explain what the code does. The second line uses the disp function to display the text, "Hello Scilab." Once you've typed this in, run the program. You'll see your message displayed in the console window. Scilab also allows you to work with matrices, which are fundamental to scientific computation. To create a matrix, use the square brackets and separate your numbers with spaces and semicolons. For instance, to create a 2x2 matrix, type, then to display the matrix, simply type its name A and hit enter. Output: congratulations, you've just written and executed your first Scilab programs. To summarize, you've learned how to install Scilab, navigate its interface, perform simple arithmetic operations, write a basic program, and create a matrix. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different commands and functions. Scilab offers a wealth of possibilities. Scilab programming is a powerful skill that opens up a world of opportunities in scientific computation. It's an open-source software that's user-friendly and versatile. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your programming skills, Scilab is an excellent choice. Dive in and unlock the potential of Scilab programming today.